Can't believe there's this many people on the racetrack. Can't believe there's this many people on the racetrack. Yeah, brand new tires will do that. Yeah. It's cool that we did it in a shed. I don't know, dude. I was following you. Now I'm not following you. Oh, we should have taken Columbia Parkway. What? Is that this one? Man, that the bridge section, I was like I hope this doesn't. Oh yeah. Yeah, my pegs barely drag before the bags. That's probably your bike, dude. Probably. I don't know if he is in his car or not. I smell it too. Yep. I smell it. Oh, really? I smelled it as soon as you pulled up. Well, you gotta break them in. Oh my God. You hit that real hot. I think that's you, dude. Yeah, your gas cap's not shut. I'll pull over up here. Well, you can just fucking plop it down real quick. Here, I'll turn my hazards on for you. That thing was all the way down, but your cap doesn't seed all the way down. Haha, just sitting. God bless. Hello. Soccer stadium. Probably 3 years ago. Massive. We got like one of the best teams in the league apparently. I don't know. I just hear people talk about it. I don't have like numbers. It just says halfway. We can take a ride up here and like head back downtown and hit 52. It smells better than a lot of things. That motherfucker's about to die. What's up, girl? Something smells fantastic. Look at that. 2 dudes on 1 scooter. Can I turn here? You guys want to go swimming? I like kind of know where we're at, but haven't really been through this section yet. Damn, you better look out. Dude, Some of the train tracks around here are fantastic.
Hey, let us get on that motorcycle!
let them sit on the motorcycles or something. I think she was talking about the 10 kids she had. What the f was that? Oh no, not especially Nissans. Yeah. Hey, you want to follow this dude? He was gone, dude. Yeah, apparently that place is world famous. World famous. Oh, like, that's the oddest looking biker gang I've seen in a while. Not even a bike newer than 2009, right? I like it. In the city, with their bare hands. They got a scaffolding way up there. Clutch slip. All right, this is where we have to go down here, make a left, and then go back that way to get on 52. Yeah. Woo!
Fuck that train! Hey, my phone!
Yeah. I want to headbutt that dude so hard. Right? Coming out in the middle of the road like that, that was wild. This dude's down here on a dirt bike riding the opposite direction. Probably not no more, they run so much. He just ran those red lights. Yeah, they're not even in there. Stuck down a slow car too. Just don't hit me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the way he came up was pretty smooth. Right. I guess we could go back across. I don't know. Yeah, we gotta take a left up here. Then you gotta make another left right here. It's crazy being down here with it being so dead. I wonder if it was the grade. I don't know, I'm rewatching it. Yeah. Yeah, sick as I figured. Yeah, I couldn't tell it. I couldn't tell the way I was holding it if I was right on you or not, but in the video it's right on you. Alright. Oh, I'm about to run this fucking red light. I was looking at them girls. Oh. Yeah, I was gonna go down. Yeah. I was gonna go down 50. Go down Columbia Parkway. Yeah. Or we can go north off Columbia Parkway and then drop back down through Cincinnati. I don't know. I don't really care. Motorcycle porn. Yeah, that didn't even look good. Like, you got no air. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah, usually I get like 3 feet of air. Let me try. See him all the time. If we had enduro bikes, we could ride up that wall. Uh-oh. They gotta play her down. Yeah, are we turning here, or you riding whiz in the back of cars? Yeah, you could have rode over his car. Cop up here in the median.